We are still in Kanpe. I just love it. The people are very gentle and pleasant. There aren't that many people. We are at the market and like truly it's the mountain. And right now, oh yeah, ça c'est vrai. Ivna doesn't know how to shop. And look at how long this lady's hair is. But the thing is that all of them tie their hair. Look at this. All of them tie their hair to come to the market. Except for the young people. The young people leave their hair like that. Okay, and then by the market, here is a big school. But it just let out. They take the flag down. She's holding the flag. But there's nobody. Hate is empty. People die very fast. They sell everything together. They need to separate the market. You see all the older people, they tie their hair. It's beautiful though. It's where they pick up the mountains. Look at the sky, it's so beautiful. So prettiful. Only Haiti. Seulement Ayiti qui belle comme ça. And look at the hair of the kids to go to school. And you see how tight they make it? Look at how tight her hair is. Ooh, look. It's really tight. And then they pull their hair out. Eventually. Oh my god. Look, all of them. They have their hair well done for school. They have their uniforms. And everybody's related in here. Everybody's cousins. And they have a lot of lighter skinned people in Kanpe. Really. Like, everyone has long hair and they are mixed. Look at that. And here's my sister. She's buying siwo. Let's
go. Finish.
Oh, and then here's another cousin of our friend. And their accent is so nice. They wake up at 4 o'clock to come to the market. It's like very funny. Okay, bye.